Today, we are recreating the Starbucks brown sugar syrup, and this recipe is so delicious and different than many others that you'll find online because we have a secret ingredient that makes it taste exactly like the one at Starbucks. There are a few things you'll need to make this brown sugar syrup, including brown sugar, sea salt, water, maple syrup, and cinnamon sticks. Don't forget to grab a glass bottle to store everything in once it's done cooking. Starting off, we're grabbing half a cup of firmly packed light brown sugar. Next, measure 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. We don't want the flavored syrup like Aunt Jemima's, it needs to be pure maple syrup. You'll also need 1/8 teaspoon of fine sea salt, a cinnamon stick, and 5 tablespoons of water. Add all of the ingredients to the pan. The nice thing about simple syrups is it's basically dump and cook. Give everything a nice stir to incorporate. Then place the pan over medium heat and cook just until the sugar is dissolved. This whole process should take about a minute to a minute and a half, so no need to walk away from the stove, it happens super quickly. Once all the sugar is dissolved, you're going to allow the mixture to cool down to room temperature. From there, you can add it into your glass jar using a funnel. I actually like to add in the cinnamon stick as well and just allow the flavor to continue to steep for at least 24 hours. Then you can use the syrup to make tons of delicious drinks like this iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso and so many more. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos in our coffee series.